Hey, Sister Kate here. Shalom. It's still Sukkot and it's the prep day before the Shabbat in Sukkot, and I have to hang out some clothes that I have been soaking in soapy water. We tend to use our bath water when we're done to add some clothes soap to it and then let them soak. Yeah, I've tried different on the homestead clothes washing techniques over the years. I've had, I can't even remember the name of the one washer I had, but it was a kind that you like did a handle and it turned it over and you cranked it several times. But now that I'm older, until we get because someone did let us buy from them an old school big tub electric washer. Until we get that fixed up, it's still me. And so I'm not going to sit there and beat these clothes on a stone and stuff. I'm just, no. At 60 years old, no. So I let them soak and then I hang them. And I was hanging them out on the line, which Pastor put up for me. I've done that for years. I enjoyed clothes dried on the line. But we're in a drought. And you've seen me hang the clothes on these hoop hoops before. Or hoop houses, I mean. And that was just because I ran out of line. But now that the drought's on, these clothes dripping are going to water the plants underneath them, and that's going to help us conserve water. So to me, it's a win-win-win-win-win because we're conserving water in the way we wash them, and now we're conserving water and watering our plants in the way we dry them. And so that's a little homesteading tip for you crew members. Yes, indeedy. All right, well, I've got to get to it. I'm hanging them up, and my cameraman is doing something else. He's cleaning up trash across the property. So I'm just going to do it and bid you all a shalom and hope you have a great Sabbath tomorrow. All right, bless you. Shalom.